Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Sibo. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back squad. So in today's video we are going to be doing a grocery haul. We are also going to be cleaning up my pantry and reorganizing. So yeah, buckle up and enjoy. So I got some chicken. I got chicken pieces, 2 trays of those, and I also got some chicken breast, 1 pack. I got some beef cubes. I got 4 of those, and I also got some chicken livers. I got 2 trays of the chicken livers and 2 trays of ox liver. I also got some boerewors in bulk. I also got 2 packs of those, and I got some red Viennas, 4 packs of the 24 because my kids love those, and since it's school holidays they just finish those in just no time. And I also got some burger patties. I got 4 trays of the burger patties, and I also got 5 liters of Oros because with kids and running in and out of the house. Yeah, I also got some 5 kg of white sugar, and the next thing I got some daffodil flowers for my garden. I also got some oil for cooking, extra virgin oil and seed oil blend. I also got some bigger relish sauce and white bread flour. I got 2 of those. I like the Eureka Mills one. And I also got 2 of the trays of sweet corn, because when we do rice, sweet corn is the way to go. I also got some margarine, and I got lean means. I got 6 of the trays of lean means. Well, Pick n Pay doesn't sell them mostly in bulk, and I hate having to wait for whilst they are weighing everything, so I preferred buying that like that. I also got some pasta screws, 2 kg, and I got rice. I got 5 kg of the rice. I got this 1 kg spaghetti, 2 of them, and 3 kg of carrots. They actually quite last a bit, especially now in winter. I got these oranges in 5.5 kg. Those are also great with kids during school holidays. I got 2 packs of butternut in the special bulk thing, when you go to Pick n Pay. I got half a cabbage. I love using cabbage when making soup because it's winter. And I got 2 packs of the beetroot, and only just 1 of the tomatoes, which come with the bulk buy, and 7 kg potatoes, and then sweet potatoes as well. I got 2 of the bags. They also come in that bulk price of 100 rand for 4 if you buy 4. And yes, kids on holidays, I got 2 packs of these red apples for kids. I don't buy the bigger ones, guys, because these ones are cheaper, and if I buy the bigger ones my kids just finish them in no time. I also got tea for all the cooler days, and I got some dishwashing salts. I got these mixed herbs refills. I didn't get any extra spices because I had those. And then I also got these frozen broccoli. My son loves those. He lives for broccoli. He loves broccoli. I got a Marcy. You guys, I love Marcy, but I haven't heard them for years. But I started buying since the end of the month. I also got milk and yeah, 2 packs of the ones in boxes and 5 of the other ones, the fresh ones. And then I also got some soap, and I got 6 of the soap. I got some Hydrogena for my skin. I got some of this mask for eye patches, and then I got some age control, and taking iron supplements because I've got iron deficiency. I also got this Portia M facial serum, and I got this 1.5 liter body wash from Clicks, 2 of them, and this pure soap. I got 2 of the 6 packs for my son because he's got eczema. He's got actually severe eczema. And then I also got fizzy juice for them, you know, ViraGuard, since it's winter. I also got some bubble bath for, yes, bubble. I got 2 of those bubble bath for bath time. And I also got some Ariel washing powder, 4.5 kg. So yeah guys, now I have to stock up mostly my stuff in the freezer, whatever goes into the freezer. And I also portioned some of the stuff, like the meats, especially the chicken, because it was in bulk. So I portioned those first prior to packing them. But yeah, so this is me now picking up everything so that you know, I get to have everything in order. But first, what I do, I normally take out the stuff that was previously in the fridge. I put the fresh stuff first at the back, and then I put whatever that was inside the freezer forward, so that I can use those first before using up the other stuff that was new. So yeah guys, I hope some of you do take some of the tips. If you haven't started doing so, you know, like stocking up stuff like that, in that order of packing fresh stuff at the back, and then the older stuff you had previously in your fridge in front. So yeah, anyways, I ended up spending 1,042.75 from Clicks for all the toiletries. And at Pick and Pay, I also saved about 200 rand because my stuff was like almost 3.7. I ended up paying 3,493 rands. So yeah, you guys. Okay, so now we're moving on to my pantry. I have to take out everything on the inside, but I will be doing it in sections because there's heavy stuff here. So the first thing was to just take out the stuff and then clean out. But before I start with the cleaning, I just want you guys to see how it looks on the inside. For those of you who know how it feels to keep on cleaning peanut butter jars and syrup or margarine or butter or whatever spread, just do comment down below and tell me how you feel about that. Okay guys, I am done now. This is how everything looks on the inside. It's very much organized. I like how it turned out. At least it's gonna be clean for however long. Let's not put a time frame on that, but I get mostly my containers from Crazy Plastics and at Pep Home stores. So yeah, this here is where I keep mostly my teas and overflow stock of my corner cabinet pantry. So yeah, you guys. Okay, so I use this Toiletry tag machine to label all my containers. I got it specifically for labeling my children's school clothes. But yeah, you guys, I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you haven't done so already, please consider to subscribe and to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye.